Hey there, what is up, everyone? It is Fergal Downs here, together with my friend, business partner, and our resident rock star here at Evolution, Jorge Villadura. So, firstly, let me ask you a quick question. Have you been struggling to make money online for one of the following reasons? Have you struggled to find a traffic source to flood your money sites with traffic? Do you lack the tech skills needed to create advanced money sites to convert traffic into sales? Have you not found a training course that gives you the full picture of how internet marketing works from start to finish? And do you not have access to experienced internet marketers like myself to put your questions to when you are stuck? See, between myself and Jorge, we understand exactly why 90% of people who try to make money online fail. Because we were in that 90% bracket too for 4 full years from 2008 till 2012. And in that time, we literally tried every online business model that did not work. But luckily for us, we stuck with it. And after 4 full years of trial and error, we finally cracked it in the summer of 2012. Instantly, when we finally figured out what works, we each started achieving the kind of results that you can see below this video. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about my story a little later on in this video. So, enough of the fluff. Let me give it to you in simple terms. The reason why we have created Evolution is to literally give you what works to make money online. And I mean it. After 4 full years of trial and error, we finally found out what works. And inside Evolution, we are literally giving it to you. Everything that we currently use in our business to get the kind of results that you can see below this video. We are giving it to you because we want Evolution to have nothing short of a 100% success rate from all of our students on the inside. So here's exactly what we give to you inside Evolution. Our done-for-you built-in app instantly copies our super high converting money site for you. This is the site that we use right now in our business and have been using successfully since the summer of 2012. This app hosts the money site for you, and you also get your own domain name, so there's no need for you to know any of the techie stuff at all. All of this is done for you with just a click of a mouse using our Evolution app. There is no setup needed or tech skills needed on your part. The app does all of the setup for you in just an instant. So part 2, your money site is now set up in a matter of seconds. All that you have to do now is turn on the Evolution one-click traffic source to start sending a flood of traffic to your money site, which will automatically convert that traffic into sales for you. It literally works in these 3 steps. Step number 1 is join Evolution from one of the links on this page below this video. Step number 2 is to create your profit sites, your money sites in an instant using the push button Evolution app. And step number 3 is to turn on our one-click unlimited traffic source and watch the sales and traffic roll in. So that's how and why Evolution works, because you are literally copying what already works. So why try to reinvent the wheel when you can literally copy what works and use it for yourself? But we are not done yet. Most products, courses, or apps that are sold online have zero support system and no way for you to contact the creators if you have any questions. But myself and Jorge, well, we do things differently here at Evolution. We do things a lot differently. The Evolution Mastermind community. Our Evolution Mastermind community is open to all Evolution members. Inside, you have direct access to myself and Jorge for if you have any questions related to Evolution or if you have any questions related to anything internet marketing related. You also have access to the entire Evolution community, where you will see all of the other student success stories on the inside. You will not find a course or app with a better community of highly successful internet marketers than here at Evolution. But there is even more. I'm literally going to put my money where my mouth is now. The 60-day, no questions asked, 100% money back guarantee. So we are so sure that Evolution is going to give you amazing results that we are going to give you a huge money back guarantee. You can try Evolution for a full 60 days. And if for any reason at all it does not live up to your standards, you can drop us a quick email inside the members area and we will refund 100% of your money, no questions asked. That is just how sure that we are that Evolution is going to give you the amazing results that you have been looking for. So that's Evolution. Click the link below this video right now to join right now, or you can continue watching this video to hear about my own internet marketing journey. So, like I said previously, I started internet marketing way back in the summer of 2008, where I spun my wheels for a full 4 years, all the way up until the summer of 2012. And it was an extremely trying time, as I was continuously working in a job that I really hated during this time. I was pulling out my hair trying to make internet marketing work, and all the while dreading the next day that I would have in my awful job. Long story short, in the summer of 2012, I finally found what works when it comes to internet marketing, which we are giving you inside Evolution. So my goal from internet marketing was to be able to travel the world while working online. I was about 25, 26 years old in 2012, and that's exactly what I did. In the summer of 2012, I took off to Thailand. And here's some pictures from my trips. If we start over here in the top left-hand side, I'm here in Siem Reap in Cambodia, in a place called Angkor Wat. If we go over to the right, you can see me there. It looks like Rio de Janeiro, but it's actually in Lisbon in Portugal. Over to the right again is in San Antonio in Texas. Over to the right, where I'm paddling, is in Vietnam. And if we go down to the center left, we can see in Amsterdam. The center right, we can see this is in Kuala Lumpur. And to the right of that again is in Hollywood. To the right of that again is in Laos, or Lao as you pronounce it, as the locals pronounce it, in a place called Luang Prabang. And if we go to the bottom left, I'm in an island called Cat Ba in Vietnam. And then the bottom center is in Honolulu in Hawaii on the top of Diamond Head volcano. So I achieved my previous goal from internet marketing, and I had a great time doing it. I was 25 at the time. I wanted to travel the world, and I achieved that goal. Now, almost 10 years on, I'm now 35 years old. My goals have shifted a little bit. I now want to invest in real estate properties. So as you can see, the Evolution system works, and it works very, very well. So it's now time for you to reach your online income goals with our system. All you have to do to get this system working for you right now is to join from the link below this video. Instantly create your money site with the built-in application. Then turn on the Evolution one-click traffic source to flood your money site with super high converting traffic. So it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, you join. Step 2, create your money site. Step 3, turn on your one-click unlimited traffic source. Watch the traffic and sales roll in. So join right now from the link below, and you will see both myself and Jorge in the members area and in the support group in just a few moments.